Beauty is seen with the eyes, but I pity the miserable set who are not able to see the beauty and to where the blindness is just visible. Salutations to members of jury. I am Roshan Vittala and they are my friends Atal Tinkering and Monty from 8th Standard C section, Vijay Vittala Vidyashala, Mysore. We wish to speak about the alternative ways to help the blind. Eyes are very important. Without it, it is difficult to live. According to WHO, 39 million people are estimated as blind worldwide and they suffer a lot of hardships in their daily life. The affected ones abusing a white cane, which although effective, still has a lot of disadvantages. Another way is having a pet dog, but as you know, it may easily get distracted and abandon the blind partner. So, we have designed a special wearable device based on the Arduino board, which consists of ultrasonic sensors and Arduinos connected to different parts of the body. This helps the blind to walk more easier. And now my friend, Sanathrayas will continue. This device has ultrasonic sensor which detects the obstacles and notifies the blind through the sound beeps. The rate of sound beeps increase with decreasing distance. The innovation of our project is by wearing this, they can fully avoid the use of white cane and other such devices. This device can be worn easily and they can navigate without holding a stick and without relying on anyone. This is very simple. It can be worn as cloth or a band and it helps the blind to navigate without any stick and can be worked accurately with only little training to use it. Now I will show you a demonstration. When the obstacles come at the knee level, the knee sensor will sense it and notify the blind with sound beeps. When it comes at left or right, the shoulder sensor will sense it and notify the blind. When the obstacles come at the head level, the spectacles will sense it and notify the blind. It helps the blind to navigate and walk with comfort. Now my friend Mohan will continue.
Thank you, Sanat. I am going to conclude our project. Our aim of the project is to create a cheap and effective system for a blind to navigate the obstacle and to walk with a great comfort and speed and without relying on anyone. We are going to end this by
Netrajana Mahadana. Thank you.